Okay, anyway, let me go through some of the other things. Let's see. Okay, so let me go over the rules first. Listen up. So 1, come to class on time. I see that you're all here on time. Number 2, please only use the restroom before and after class as well as during breaks. Oh, please use the restroom before and after class and during the break. Yes. Yes, yes. Okay, if I talk too fast, please tell me, because I also teach English majors and I talk at a more normal pace. Okay? So raise your hand and say, oh, you're talking too fast. Please speak slower. Okay. This class is actually pretty big, so I would like all of you, if you need to make a comment or if you have a question, please raise your hand. Okay, you do that. And number 4, this is really important, but do not cheat in this class. And by cheating, it's not only looking at your friend's paper, but mostly it's something called plagiarism, which is when you copy off of someone else's work and you call it your own work. Okay, do you understand that? For example, if you have too much homework one day and then you want to go on the internet to find something and you find something that looks really well written and then you say, oh, I don't have a lot of time, maybe I'll just copy it. And then you turn it in, and then the teacher finds out you copied of someone else's work. So you cannot do that because that's considered cheating, especially in America, where if you do this in America, you copy other people's work and you turn it in, they might expel you or suspend you from school. That means you get in trouble, big trouble, and they won't let you go to school anymore. Okay? So, if you do cheat on really big, like the tests that we have, things like that, then I will probably have to report you to the administration, to the officials, office workers. Okay. So, number 5, remember to participate. If you have comments or questions, please speak up, because this is actually my first time teaching English writing class, so I just need the most help I can get, and if you don't understand something, please let me know how I can explain it a little more clear to you. And then, let's see, that's my information, and please do not use your cell phones in class, and don't be distracted, don't fall asleep in class. If you fall asleep, get your friend to poke you awake. And usually I will remember your names and then mark you down, write a little note, oh, this person was sleeping. Be careful. Be very careful. Okay, so right now, I need you to write your name down on this book. I want you to do it a little bit differently than what it says. So on the first column, write your student number. Okay. Number. Second column, Chinese name. Third column, English name. Okay, I hope you can read that. So, there's more space on the next page if you run out of numbers. I think there's maybe 30-something, 40 in this class. Sign in according to this format. Student number, Chinese name, and English name.
Yes.
Okay. I still have a lot of things to go through, so give you a syllabus next week, but let me tell you about the grading. 25% will be the midterm, timed right, and peer review. So what that means is timed right is when I give you some time and you have to write. You just think about something and you write. Okay, that's a timed right. And then peer review is when you trade your paper with someone else and then they give their feedback, they give their constructive comments. They tell you how you can make it better. Okay, that's peer review. And then 25% will be the final timed right and peer review. So we'll take the entire class period for you to write things and then have someone else check over your writing and see how they can make it better. And then 17% homework, 33% participation with 16% attendance, and 17% in-class assignments and peer review, things like that. It's because Valentine's Day was last week, so I just wanted to show you and then let you have the chance to compose your own poem like this. So roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet, and so are you. So it's very simple. 4 lines. Roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet, and so are you. And there's 4 syllables per line. So it's very equal. It's balanced. Okay. Huh?
Why does it rhyme with
B, because you rhymes with blue. So this is a rhyme scheme. So it's the order of the rhyme. So red does not sound like any of these. But if this one was sugar is dead, then it would be A, B, A, B. Do you understand? It's just what rhymes with what, then that's how you label it. So there are 2 more poems I'll read to you, and then you get the chance to write your own. Some of these are funny sometimes. Okay, listen carefully. So, roses are blue, violets are red. If you agree, you've got rocks in your head. Rocks, like pebbles, stones. You've got rocks in your head. That means you don't have a brain. Yes. So roses are blue, violets are red. If you agree, you've got rocks in your head. If you agree. So let's see. Blue, roses are blue, violets are red. So it's the same rhyme scheme. It's B, B. So this one doesn't rhyme with anything. This one doesn't rhyme with anything. Okay. The last poem is kind of funny. Alright. So listen. Roses are red, violets are blue. Monkeys like you should be kept in the zoo. Don't be so angry, you will find me there too. Not in a cage, but laughing at you. So, you can compose something similar to that one. That one is really long, but everything rhymes with blue. So right now, I'd like you to take maybe about 10-15 minutes to write your own poem like this with kind of A, B, C, B. You can add more lines if you want. It doesn't have to be exactly like this, but it could be more of a love poem like this. Sugar is sweet and so are you. Or you can make it funny about calling someone a monkey.